Hi everybody and welcome back to SiArtShopChannel. Okay guys, I'm going to show you how you make the leaves of this fake cabbage. Okay, so without further ado, let me show you how you do that. First of all, you'll need some clay. Now I've got this particular brand and I've also got it's terracotta. Now I would like white, but this is the only one I've got. But I'm going to use this one, and then what I'll do is when it's all dry, I will paint it a couple of coats of white for a base, and then paint it the green and all the rest of it to make it like a cabbage. Okay, so that's what we're going to use there. We're also going to need an actual real cabbage, and here's one here, and we're going to use the leaves of this cabbage to make the leaves of the fake cabbage. And all you need is to cut one off like so. So there we got one there, and you'll need a rolling pin. And I've got this one. I've got an acrylic sealant empty container that normally you would throw away, but I don't. I use them as a roller. Why buy a roller when you can have one of these instead? It's save it going into landfill. So what you need to do to start with is you get your clay. Pull it a little bit off like so, give it a good knead like so. Right, and then you just roll it into a ball and then you flatten it, okay? And then you put it on your table and you roll it with your luxury roller like so. And then all you do is you put this on there. Okay, and then all you're going to do is push it down a couple of times, two or three times, like so, easy as that, and take that off, and there you go. You've got your indentations, okay? And then what I do, because I've done it on the desk, I normally do it on paper, but I thought it might stick, so what I'm doing here is, and it has ripped, but don't worry about that, is do it like this. Okay, so what you need to do is go around it with a craft knife just to make it a little bit more up and down like a real cabbage would be, like so. And then because these bits are a bit thick, don't worry about that bit being broken, you just need to pinch them to make them thinner like you would have a real cabbage, okay? So that's too thick, see there? So you need to pinch it. Okay, and you can ruffle it as you go along if you like. All the way along and all the way along. Now, like I said before, this one, don't worry about it if it's broken like that, because we can use that as a feature. So when you actually stick it on, you can push it together like that, and it looks like a big sort of seam there. And the same up there. So don't worry too much if that's the case. And if you've pushed the edges and you've covered it up a bit too much, you can use a cocktail stick just to put the little bits and pieces of the contours back in that you may have got rid of, okay? So don't worry too much. And you can do that to it and it ruffles it up. See that? It makes it all, because of the way the clay works, it ruffles it a bit. So there you go. So that's how you actually make the leaf. Now you do that with all the leaves. Now I've used about, or I'm going to use about 7, I think. So make 7 of these, exactly the same. You can either keep using the same leaf, but I find they break after 2 or 3 attempts of rolling them out. Just use another one off the cabbage and go from there. So keep doing that, get to that stage. And then you just need to watch the next video on how to actually put all the leaves onto the, or wrap them around the actual round container, which I'll show you how to make as well on the next video. So there you go. So thanks for watching, guys. Like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye-bye for now.